Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on TikTok app.
ভালোবাসার সংজ্ঞা কি তাহলে?
Okay,
ভালোবাসার সংজ্ঞা হচ্ছে
click on profile icon. Tap on this option and click on account. Add account. Just tap add account and sign in with another device and tap on Gmail and Google account. Continue and to add another accounts on TikTok. Easy way. Same way and same another account add to multiple accounts on TikTok. That's all. Thanks for watching.
ভালোবাসার
Please like,
definition টা
comment
হচ্ছে
and subscribe. Thank you.